Hi. Since you're talking about the mini lathe and a wood turning kit, I thought I'd show you mine. This is the spur, the drive spur. This is a 3 Morse taper. It goes in the spindle. This is the rest for turning. You clamp this in your 4-way tool post or any other tool post and set the height of this. Now I had to modify mine a bit. It's gotta say it's pretty cheap, pretty chintzy, but you can do woodwork on it. What I had to do was straighten out the pin, and I think it wasn't tall enough. I think I made another one. It's been a long time. I brazed it in. The original was held in with a roll pin, a spring pin, and it didn't seem very solid, so I brazed the pin in. Anyways, there you go. Naturally, you're going to have to make or buy some wood turning tools. I polished the edge of this and straightened it out some. In operation, the rest would be turned around because it would be clamped like so. Now if you're doing something really long, you could turn it around and clamp it on the other side. But, well, it is what it is. There I go. Anyways, that's what little I know about it. Have a good one.